Sygehus Sonderjylland, a hospital in the southern part of Denmark, wanted to become carbon neutral and to reduce its operating costs. So they started working with Danfoss and the local district energy utility to achieve these goals. Formerly, the hospital was getting its heating from gas boilers. They had both distributed technical equipment cooling for the MRI scanners and then also comfort cooling from a central chilled water system. The goal of decarbonization and reducing operating costs was achieved by tying these two systems in together. How you tie those two systems in together is with a water-to-water heat pump that is providing both the cooling for the district cooling and the technical equipment, and the heating, providing the heating to the hospital, and then also connecting into the district energy system.
Let's take a closer look at how the hospital treated heating and cooling separately, and how adopting an integrated system changed that mindset. The hospital used gas boilers for facility heating and domestic hot water at 75 degrees Celsius, an energy-intensive, carbon-heavy, standalone system. The hospital's chilled water system cooled the building and medical scanners, but the heat removed in this process was simply rejected to the atmosphere through the cooling towers, wasting significant usable energy. To tap into the hospital's unused thermal potential, a water-to-water heat pump was installed to replace the gas boilers and separate cooling systems, with chillers kept as minimal use backup. The water-to-water heat pump's cold side is tied into the existing chilled water network, continuing to deliver the same cooling temperatures required for comfort cooling and for sensitive equipment such as MRI and CT scanners. Instead of discarding the extracted heat, that energy now becomes the heat source. The heat pump raises water to 75 degrees Celsius for the hospital's space heating and domestic hot water. Surplus heat is fed to the district grid, and extra heat drawn when demand exceeds pump capacity.
In executing the integrated energy system, Danfoss worked with the OEM partner to integrate in multiple Danfoss components, including the compressors, heat exchangers, valves, controls, and other devices. Outside of the heat pump itself, we also worked with the OEM partner and the designers to integrate in multiple Danfoss hydronic system components. By tying the two energy systems in together, the hospital has achieved a significant energy efficiency increase and operating cost reduction. This included a COP during the winter periods, the most challenging operation, of 2.8 on the cooling side and 3.8 on the heating side, or roughly 4 times the gas boiler efficiency that it was replacing. The hospital has achieved a significant energy usage reduction and is selling surplus heat back to the district energy utility. The numbers include an 18,300 megawatt-hour energy usage reduction for the hospital itself, and then selling 15,800 megawatt-hours to the local district energy utility. This is the equivalent to roughly 900 Danish households.